The U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission has begun accepting claims related to Activision Blizzard with the agency. Starting today, current and former U.S. employees of the publisher who believe they experienced sexual harassment or gender discrimination while working at its offices from September 1, 2016 to March 29, 2022 can file for an award. Those who decide to take part in the claims process can also make specific non-monetary requests of Activision Blizzard and the EEOC. For instance, they can ask that the publisher remove harmful documents such as disciplinary notices from their personnel file. It will be interesting to see how many workers apply for an award. When the settlement was first approved by a federal judge in late March, many current and former Activision Blizzard employees criticized the EEOC for not going nearly far enough to hold the company accountable. The fact claimants won't be able to take part in future litigation against Activision Blizzard, including the ongoing lawsuit from California's, may also make some workers reluctant to file. Then there's the amount itself. Former employee Jessica Gonzalez is appealing the settlement on the basis that $18 million is insufficient redress for everyone who may come forward with a claim against Activision Blizzard.